everyone, it's Frenchfry's Yarn, and today I'm going to test out how long I can crochet throughout a whole day. Right now it is 3:42 and I just wanted to see how long I could crochet. The video might look a bit odd later on when it gets nighttime. It's gonna look more orange. Right now I'm in front of my window and with orange light because I don't have any normal white light. So I'm gonna go do that and let's see what I experience, and I'll tell you at the end and tell you what time I'm gonna be done crocheting. Woo, my arm's hurting already. It's been like 30 minutes already in my arm. It's the way where I'm sitting, the way I'm sitting. It's gonna take me more breaks from sitting at my desk and doing this. Maybe I should just go to the living room and just record myself there the whole time. Well, it's almost 6 p.m. It's like 5:35, I don't know, 5:45, and I decided to get some ice cream with strawberries. Some strawberries and cream. So this is what I'm going to eat for dessert right now. It's going to be so good. Okay, so I made 3 rows of after the 7 rows, and I noticed that it was a little bit too big on me. I did 1 row extra of an increase, so now I'm just frogging this whole 2-3 rows now. Okay, so I've been switching back and forth between my crochet room and the living room the past couple times because, you know, I've been eating and then I just set up the camera and to do all that stuff. So I just decided to just sit in the living room, but I'm back in my craft room again, and I just wanted to show you that I finished my Mismagius hat. So right here, oh, there you go. That's the Mismagius hat. I left it on the floor because it's like really big to actually show. So, just going around it to show you how it looks and all the pieces to them. This is the reason why I decided to do the crocheting in a day, so I can try to get this done, because I am terrible at crocheting my projects in time. And so this was like a little push to tell me like I should do it and finish it. So there's that. Now I have something for Halloween. Now I'm back in the living room again, and I'm gonna check the time. It is 11:53. It's almost 12 a.m. It's dark outside, as you can see. Let's see. extremely dark outside. I'm gonna break that. So I finished the Mismagius hat and I just showed you that. I only had like a few pieces that I had to do and then just sew it all together. And this hat or wig cap that I was making. I can't really put it on now. I just put on my hair. I put my hair up. So there was that. I made the wig cap because I'm going to be making a wig. Because that was just my idea. I thought it would be cool. Trying to make a wig out of yarn. So instead of having a wig cap underneath this is the wig and the wig cap. So that would be fun. It'll be really comfortable and lightweight. I don't know if real wigs are actually heavy. I know when we cut off our hair, it's really heavy and then it feels like it's light once it's all cut off. So that's real hair though. I have these and I think I am gonna be done crocheting today. I've been crocheting for almost 8 hours, right? 3 p.m. I think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 hours! I was crocheting for 9 hours. I should have showed you the poses. So my sister was in yoga class and she showed me a couple of yoga poses for me to like help my neck, my shoulder, my arms, and my back. And just this one pose helps with the arms, back, and neck. So, please hold. I just pushed the camera back a little just so I can show you this. So, what we do is put our hands forward, like we're clapping our hands. We put it all the way up. You don't have to like completely bend your arm, like have it a little bit relaxed, but straight enough. And then just bend slightly back. And just stay there for a couple seconds, probably like 10 seconds. So that's what we do for a little bit. I don't know what the actual pose name for that is, but my sister showed me that. And there's another thing that I do to help with my neck and right here. Like my jawline, I guess you could say. Like just between there. You just go look to the left and down, angled, look up, and then you go adjacent, I think that's the right word, to your face to look down this way, and then look up again. And then just keep doing that in X formation. And that should help with your neck as well as the front of your neck, and just gives you muscles to help support your neck when you're already bending down and looking down too much. Now for the wrist, I don't really know anything about the wrist, but I do go like this for myself to just trying to relax it. Sometimes I use gloves while I'm crocheting. This time I didn't do it because I don't know. I did order some compression gloves on Amazon. They're like copper compression gloves. I don't know when they're gonna come in. Probably in a few days. But hopefully I'll get that soon. After the whole day of making videos right now, I've actually felt a little bit more comfortable too on talking in the camera. Still awkward, but more comfortable than usual. So that's my awkwardness. I'm also making a tutorial for the wig cap for the future. I don't know about the Mismagius hat. That one took a really long time. I've been pushing it back for like 3 months. Well, I finished the whole thing within 3 months. And I'm surprised it's done. Well, not surprised. It's finally finished. I'm so happy. And I literally wanted to make more crochet videos. And that just pushed me to finish the Mismagius hat. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something, like the yoga poses to help with your crocheting body aches. And just had fun crocheting along with me. Have a nice day, everyone. Or night. Or morning. You know what? I'm just gonna say have a good morning because it's 12 a.m. And a stitch marker. I wish I had a Frenchfry stitch marker. That would look so cute. I could make one. I'm gonna make some Frenchfry stitch markers. They'd be so cute.